So here we have the Toyota Aygo on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 50-50 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left, speedometer in the middle, and within the middle of that, the fuel gauge and the total miles of the car, which are 28,153. In that section, you can also see what gear this car is in, and we're in neutral at the moment. This particular car has a semi-automatic gearbox. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on the left, phone controls on the right, and then the minus and plus pedal so that you can change down or up a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, you'll then find the main stereo. So this button turns it on and also adjusts the volume as well. When it comes to the ways in which you can listen to music, we have got our radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, auxiliary input as well, AM, FM, and background to DAB. You can pair your phone using these buttons just here. This dial here will take you through various menu options or radio stations, depending on whatever menu you are on at the time in which you operate that button. Below that, we then have the air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction of the air. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. The same button will turn it off, of course, and then you can turn on and off your heated rear screen from there as well. This slider will bring in fresh air from outside of the car or recirculate the air that's in it. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set up here. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and auxiliary input as well. We have a couple of cup holders and then the gear lever for the semi-automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.